Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, the ultimate destination for car lovers, speed enthusiasts, and those who appreciate the engineering marvels that redefine driving. Here, we explore the world of high-performance machines with detailed reviews, exclusive insights, and real car talk that goes beyond the surface. Today, we dive into a name that stirs the soul of every supercar fan, the Lamborghini Countach. The legend is reborn for 2026, and it brings with it a striking blend of retro-inspired styling and modern-day performance, making it one of the most anticipated automotive revivals in recent years. The 2026 Lamborghini Countach is not just a nod to the past. It's a futuristic interpretation of a classic icon that once ruled the roads and posters alike. Visually, it captures the essence of the original with sharp angles, wide stance, and the unmistakable wedge-shaped silhouette. The front end features sleek LED headlights nestled into angular panels, with large air intakes sculpted into the lower fascia. Every line on the body serves a purpose, whether it's to enhance aerodynamics or to celebrate the bold design of its predecessor. The rear keeps the drama alive with quad exhaust tips, distinctive LED tail lights, and an aggressive diffuser that screams performance. Powering the 2026 Countach is a hybrid V12 powertrain that combines old-school engine roar with new-age electrification. The 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 is paired with a 48-volt electric motor, resulting in a combined output of around 803 horsepower. This setup enables the Countach to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.8 seconds, with a top speed that exceeds 220 miles per hour. The power delivery is instant and smooth, thanks to the electric assist, while the V12 delivers that raw, exhilarating soundtrack that Lamborghini is known for. The gearbox is an automated manual transmission tuned for quick shifts, and the all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip under hard acceleration and sharp cornering. When it comes to handling, the 2026 Countach is engineered for high performance without sacrificing everyday usability. Adaptive suspension allows it to adjust based on drive modes, offering a comfortable ride in normal conditions and firming up for aggressive driving. Carbon ceramic brakes provide tremendous stopping power, and the low center of gravity helps the Countach stay flat and planted through turns. Lamborghini has also worked on weight distribution and rigidity, using carbon fiber extensively throughout the chassis and body to keep the car light and nimble. Inside, the Countach is a blend of retro cues and modern tech. The cabin feels futuristic yet rooted in Lamborghini's design philosophy. The seats are sporty and supportive, wrapped in premium leather with hexagonal patterns and contrast stitching. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster that offers customizable views, from performance metrics to navigation. A large central touchscreen controls the infotainment system, which includes smartphone integration, navigation, voice commands, and real-time performance data. Despite its high-performance DNA, the cabin offers creature comforts like automatic climate control, wireless charging, and premium audio systems. One of the most impressive aspects of the new Countach is how it balances aesthetics with functionality. The scissor doors, a Lamborghini signature, open dramatically and give easy access to the cabin. The visibility has been improved compared to previous models, and the ride quality is surprisingly livable for a supercar. Storage space is minimal, as expected, but enough for short trips or daily essentials. Safety features have also been considered in the 2026 Countach. While this is not a car bought for its lane keeping, assistance or adaptive cruise control, Lamborghini has included basic driver aids like parking sensors, a rear-view camera, stability control, and anti-lock brakes. More advanced features are kept minimal to avoid diluting the pure driving experience, which remains at the heart of this machine. Fuel efficiency is not the strongest suit here, nor is it the focus. However, the hybrid system does offer mild fuel savings and lower emissions compared to a traditional V12-only setup. It also provides a smoother start-stop experience in city driving and helps with instant torque at low speeds. This small touch of efficiency doesn't take away from the Countach's raw, emotional driving character, it simply makes it slightly more refined and adaptable. Production of the 2026 Countach will be extremely limited, preserving the exclusivity and desirability of this modern classic. Each unit is crafted with a level of precision and attention to detail that reflects Lamborghini's commitment to performance, design, and innovation. The price tag is expectedly steep, placing it firmly in the hypercar category, but for those fortunate enough to own one, it's more than just a car, it's a piece of automotive history reimagined for a new era. What makes the 2026 Lamborghini Countach truly special is its ability to bridge the gap between past and future. It pays tribute to the model that helped shape the supercar genre, while pushing forward with hybrid technology, advanced aerodynamics, and bold design. It's unapologetically exotic, relentlessly fast, and unmistakably Lamborghini in every sense. This car isn't about subtlety, it's about presence, emotion, and the thrill of being behind the wheel of something that feels alive. Thanks for watching. If you're passionate about cars that push the boundaries of design and performance, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Motorsports Mania family. We've got more exciting reviews, comparisons, and auto talk coming your way. Stay tuned and keep that engine running.